Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you again to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and also share the video with your fellow learners. So today I will be talking about statistics but basically focusing on grade 11 and grade 12 content. So today I will be showing you guys how to answer statistics. So I having only two questions today. So let's go to the first question. Hi guys, so this is our question for today. Then let's start with the information. The time in minutes that it took for the first goal to be scored in 7 football games was recorded. The time is in ascending order. Ascending order, it's from the smallest to the biggest, or from minimum to maximum. Okay, represented by A, B, C, D, E, and F, G. Yeah. Right, let's read our information here. Don't forget these things are written in order from the smallest to the largest. All these goals were scored at different time. Okay, it means there is no other variable that can be the same to other one. It means you will not find group B is equals to F or B is equals to A. All these variables are unique. The minimum time for the first goal was 5 minutes. The range of the times was 48 minutes. The median time was 22 minutes. The difference between the lower quartile and the minimum was 7 minutes. The interquartile range of the time was 28 minutes. The mean time was 27 minutes. E is equals to 2C. The first question is determine the value of A, B, C, D, and E, F, G. Okay. I need to classify something before I answer these questions. You can see we're having two questions. The first question, it has 8 marks, as you can see. It is for everyone who is doing statistics in maths, from grade 8 from grade 10 to grade 12, grade 10, 11, and 12. This question, it covers all of you. But the last question, it covers those who are doing grade 11 and grade 12 because it talks about standard deviation, and in grade 10 we don't have standard deviation. So, but don't worry, grade 10s you can only watch this question. It's for you. Then for the second question, it's for those who are doing grade 11 and grade 12. So I chose this question so that I can cover all of you, also the grade 10s. So those who are doing grade 10, just pay full attention on the first question. Then the second question, it's for those who are doing grade 11 and grade 12. So yeah. So the first question is for all of you. Don't forget that. Then let's check. We have been given that the minimum time it's 5 minutes, and the minimum it's A. The A it's 5. Then the next one is that the range was 48. Range is maximum minus minimum. Maximum it's G minus A, which is 5, equals to 48. The maximum minus minimum is equals to 48. We've been given there. Then the value of G is going to be 48 plus 5. It will give me 53. Okay. The next information is that the median was 22. Okay. Median here you can see, because these things are in order, so the median will be D. So it means D is 22. Okay. The difference between the lower quartile and the minimum was 7. Okay. Lower quartile here, as you can see, or Q1, it is B. B minus minimum, which is A, it was 5. It's equals to 7. Sorry, it's equals to 7. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to write this thing. And you must be very careful. Don't come and write minimum minus lower quartile. It is wrong, because if you know minimum minus lower quartile like this, and then you say 7, this thing it's wrong, and you will end up getting a negative answer. So you do it like this, because the lower quartile it's greater than the minimum. You must know that. So this is going to be 12, because 7 plus 5 it is 12. I hope you are still following. Okay. The interquartile range is 28. Interquartile range, you get it by saying Q3 minus Q1, or upper quartile minus lower quartile. Our Q3 here is going to be F. So in other words, it's F minus the lower quartile, which is 12. We have determined it there. It's equals to, they said it's equals to 28, ne? Okay. Then F is going to be, I think it's 40. Our F, or our upper quartile, is going to be 40, ne? Okay, that's it. Then the mean time was 27 minutes. Okay, we have determined, let me check those who have determined A, we have it already, B, we have it, D, and then okay, and also G. It means we are left with two variables, E and then C. All right, so they said our mean here, it is 27. So let's write these things. You know how to determine the mean. Mean, you add all, or you add all our scores, then divided by the total frequency, or the total number of scores. So we're gonna add everything. A, it is 5 plus B, I got 12 plus C, O is the one we are looking for, plus D. D, do we have D here? What is D? Oh, 22, ne? Plus E, okay, plus F, 40, plus F was 40, then plus 53 of G, then divided by, it was how many? 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, divided by 7. Oh, this thing is the same as 27. Let me write 27 is equal to, because it's our mean, né? 27 is equal to that thing. So okay, we have to solve this thing, né? So I'm having 27 is equals to 5 plus 12, it is 17, né? If I'm not mistaken, 17 plus 22, I think this thing gonna give us what? Is it 39? Okay, 39 plus 40 is going to be 39 plus 40 is going to be 79. 79 plus 53 is going to be 132, right? 132 divided by, oh, plus D, oh, plus C, and then plus, don't forget our E here, it is given as 2C, so I will write plus 2C, ne? Plus 2C, okay, divided by 7. So we're going to multiply everything with 7. 27 multiplied by 7, what is the answer? I think here we're going to get, is it 189? You can confirm. You're going to get 189. Yes, 189 equals to 132 plus 3C, because 2C and C is 3C. Then we have to take 132, subtract it to 189. Ne? Then this thing gonna give us 57 is equals to 3C. Then we're gonna divide everything with 3, and then we'll be left with, I think this will be 19. Right? We're gonna be left with 19 if we divide everything with 3. Okay, so we have our C. Then let's check. After determining our C, what's left? Oh, it's E. E, it is 2 multiplied by C, which is the same as 38. We have determined everything there. So that's perfect. Perfect. So grade 10, we are done. For those who are doing grade 11 and grade 12, please continue watching the video for the last question. It's very, very simple. So I can write it here. They say if the standard deviation of the data is 15.87, how many goals were scored within one standard deviation? Within one standard deviation, we use this formula. You have to write your mean minus the standard deviation is 2. Your mean plus the standard deviation. Yeah? Okay, so what is our mean here? Our mean we've been given, it is 27 minus standard deviation 15.87 or is 2, then x bar or our mean, that is 27, plus our standard deviation, which is the same as 15.87. 15.87. Then if we subtract this thing, we're gonna get what? I think here we're gonna get, let me try to write this with another color. It is 11.13 is 2. And the other part, it is 27 plus 15.87. This will be 40. Is it 42.87? Yeah, I think so. So, okay. Or let me erase this thing. I want to show you this question very, very well. You'll see it's very simple. For within one standard deviation, we do that. So we have to determine how many scores or how many goals lies between this interval. I can say it is interval. Okay. Then A, we said A. I don't remember our AO was 5. It was our minimum. Then our B was what? I forgot these things. But our B, I remember it was 12. Then our C, we just calculated it, and then I think we got 19. And then D is the median, it's 22. Then E, it was 38. Then F, I think it was 40. Then here it was 50. Is it 53? I don't remember very well, but I think so. Okay, so you have to check the numbers that lies between this interval from these goals. So okay, the one that lies between 11.13 and 42.87, this one lies there. Also this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. But 53 it's out, and then 5 it's out also. So it is 5 of them. Yes, I think it is 5. So it's 5 goals. 5 goals that lies within one standard deviation of the mean time. 5 goals. So yeah, I can write 5 goals lies there or was scored within one standard deviation of the mean time. Yes, it was scored within, then come and complete it there. Even if you write 5 goals, it's fine. Then we are done. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video with your fellow learners. Thank you.